So, hi everyone, this is Dr. Chidambaram. I'm here as an assistant professor in MBA department, Faculty of Management, SRM IST Ramapuram. So, this video is about a general introduction of global sourcing management and key aspects and importance and challenges faced for global sourcing management. So, this is the session for how sourcing management is important to the global competence and how it actually affects the global systems. So, starting with the introduction, so sourcing management refers to a systematic process of identifying, evaluating, selecting, and managing suppliers to obtain goods and services required by an organization at the right cost, right quality, right time, and for the right sources. In earlier days, sourcing was limited to purchasing materials at the lower price. However, in today's competitive and global business environment, sourcing has become a strategic activity that directly impacts when it comes to cost efficiency, product quality, innovation, risk management, and sustainability. So, thus, the sourcing management plays a vital role in achieving organizational competence and long-term success. In order to goes for the interactions, it has an important roles of each and every business and it requires a quality of goods and services at optimal cost, quality, and reliability. So it plays a crucial role in organizational competence and the value creations. When it comes to the key aspects of sourcing, that is how a supplier identifies and select those required quality and required suppliers from the different parts of the globals. So organization identifies the potential suppliers and evaluate them based on the price, quality, reliability, and capacity and compliance. When it comes to the cost management, it only on purchase price but also on the total cost of ownership. It includes logistics, inventory, and risk cost. When it comes to quality assurance, ensuring that sourcing materials meet required standards and specification is critical for customer satisfaction. Next up, the relations management. In terms of partnership with supplier, it helps in improving trust, collaborative, and innovation. When it comes to risk management, sourcing manager assess risks such as supplier distribution, political instability, and currency fluctuation. So together, these aspects ensure that the sourcing supports both operational efficiency and strategical goals. So in this concept of total cost of ownership ratio and cost analysis that has a crucial part in global sourcing. When compared to the core factors in sourcing process that consist of cost factors, that is the material, including material cost, transportation cost, duties, and hidden cost. Second one, the quality requirements. So consistency, certification of those qualities, and compliance with these industrial standards. Third one, the supplier capabilities, production capabilities, technology, financial stability, and delivery performance that has a crucial role in supplier capabilities selections. When it comes to lead time and flexibility, so it is an ability of the suppliers to deliver on time and respond to change in demand. And when it comes to ethical and sustainable factors, so environmental practice plays a crucial role in ethical and sustainable factors like labor standards and corporate social responsibilities. So these factors that helps up the chosen suppliers who align with the both business and ethical expectations. When it comes to global sourcing strategies, so it refers to procuring goods and services from international suppliers to gain strategical advantage at first one, the low cost country sourcing. So it's actually based upon the sourcing from the countries with a low labor and production cost. When example, taking an example as India and Bangladesh have the low labor cost when compared to the especially to the industries that relevant to textiles. Second one, the multiple sourcing strategy that comes up the using multiple suppliers across a different region to reduce risk. Third strategy is about alliance with the strategic sourcing alliance and partnership. So building long-term relationship with the suppliers, with the global suppliers for innovation and sustainability. Fourth one is offshoring and nearshoring sourcing. Offshoring sources focus on distinct countries while nearshoring involves sourcing from neighbor and nearby countries to reduce lead times. So see, these are the basic strategy that helps the organization balancing in cost, risk, and efficiency. The next one comes the benefits of global sourcing. So, what are those global sourcing that we adapt for, and how it reduce the risk and has providing an advantage over your competitors, or the cost reduction due to low production and labor cost. So, second one, access to specialized skills and technology. Third one, improved product quality through global expertise. Fourth one, the supplier based diversification, reducing dependency on a single region. And fifth one is a competitive advantage in global market. As a result of sourcing supports business expansion and profitability. So not only the advantage, we cover up the challenges of global sourcing. So the following are the main challenges that we face as well compared or adapt the global sourcing. That is, the first one is the supply chain distribution due to geopolitical issues or pandemics. Second one, the quality control issues across distinct suppliers. Third one, cultural and communication barriers. Currency fluctuation and trade religions are the most important things in providing us a disadvantage of sourcing. Last one, the ethical and sustainable concerns. So if you are going to adapt, you as a sourcing manager in the long term, you are going to face these issues at any point of time. So you have to create a plan B for those things, that by adapting the external advantage of global sourcing and effective planning and stronger relationship with the suppliers, and are required to overcome these challenges. The future's era of sourcing. So the key trends that includes from the sourcing region, that the digital sourcing platforms and e-procurement. So artificial intelligence, AI, and data analytics for super supplier selections. So sustainable and green sourcing practices are the important thing for the future global sourcing packages. Third one, the blockchain for transparency to traceable what you're actually doing on. So risk resistant sourcing model after global sourcing disputes in coming up years, the sourcing managers will act as a strategical decision makers, not just a buyer. At a conclusion, to conclude, sourcing management has evolved for transaction activities to a strategic business function. By adopting the effective sourcing strategies and embracing future trends, organization can achieve effective efficiency, innovation, and sustainable growth. So thank you for this. We'll continue in the discussion in the next session. Thank you.